Well, we're still here at the car wash. Tyler's got the brush out now. Trying to get it clean still. Still hasn't put any money in the car wash here. He had his own soap. Unfortunately, we had to take a little break. Couldn't get that on camera. But, yeah, look at him go. Amazing what he can do with just a little bit of ingenuity.
Here he is scrubbing it. Scrubbing the hood.
Really curious to see how we're going to get this soap off of here. Might have to spend a few dimes.
Get the rims real good. There he goes. He's
Taking your cue.
There he goes.
Nice,
Oh, there's some dirt in that, I think.
He's getting that ice on the...
Oh, he's getting the ice off. I'm seeing the ice.
It sounds like he's about to knock the bumper off.
Got the soap suds on here.
Tyler, can we get an interview with you, sir? No interviews? Come on, man. Come on, a little short interview.
You're on camera.
He's not into it.
Alright, yeah, well.
No, man on a mission. Man on a mission.
The soap suds of our lives.
He claims that they're freezing.
Freezing suds.
Yep.
This is exciting.
Captain Slow. Let's see what he does now.
He's all done with the scrubbing. He's all done.
Done with let's go see. What is he doing?
He's going back to the machine.
Oh, no.
He's
switching the switch. He's putting in money.
No.
No way.
He's forsaking. He's hitting it. I think it's eating its money.
It won't take the Canadian quarter. Of course not. You're an idiot.
You better get it, man. You got a time limit.
It looked to be about $2.
And we have pressure. Ladies and gentlemen, we have pressure. Hope you enjoyed the video.